Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up Tradingview strategy to algo trading. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Tradingview app on your PC. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface of the Tradingview apps on in the screen. And yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. So once you do that, you can see there is a chart of this EUR US dollar in here. And if you want to set up Tradingview strategy to algo trading, then what you can do is you need to hover in this indicators options on in the screen, and you can see there is a 3 options inside these indicators. So indicators, metrics, and strategies. So you simply need to click on these indicators, and now you will be able to find tons of strategies provided by the Tradingview and the community in this section. So you simply need to search for the algo trading in here. So let's search for the algo trading. Now you can see the algo trader here, which basically means this is the developer name, algo trader. So these two are locked. You can see the locker icon in here, and this one is free. So if you click on this one, you will be able to add it in your chart successfully. So let me close it for now, and yeah, you can see I have successfully set up Tradingview strategy to algo trading in Tradingview app successfully. So now if you want to delete this one, then you simply need to hover in this option, and you can see delete icon in here, or you can also click on here and you'll be able to delete it successfully. So let me delete it to show you a demo. Now yeah, you can see I have deleted it successfully. So yeah, basically this is how you can set up Tradingview strategy to algo trading. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this really helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.